this station, you'll be learning how to use the tools that are used to measure mass and weight. The first tool you'll be learning to use is the balance. The parts of the balance are the pan, the adjustment knob under the pan. These are the rider beams, and this is our 0 mark. As you can see on the beams, the balance measures in grams. The first step in using the balance is to make sure that your pointer is at the 0 mark. As you can see, our pointer is below it. I will turn the adjustment knob to make it line up. This is going to take some time and patience. You want to do small turns on the adjustment knob so that you don't overcorrect. Wait until the pointer comes to a complete stop when you think that you've got it. So go too low. All right, my pointer is now at the 0 mark. I'm ready to begin weighing my object. I will be finding the mass of my glass apple. Put the object on the pan, and then you're going to start with your largest weight, which is the one on the middle beam. Move the weight all the way over to 500 grams, and you can see the pointer drop below 0. That means that your 500 weight is too much. Move it back to 400, still too much. Move it to 300. Notice that it didn't fall. That means I need to move on to my next beam. I'm going to use the beam with the 10 increments. I'm going to move it all the way over to 100, which is going to be too heavy because that would have been 400 grams. I'm going to move it down to 90. That's still too heavy. Down to 80. Too heavy. 70. And 60 is too light. Notice the pointer did not drop below 0. The last beam that I'm going to use, this measures in single grams. I'm going to slide this one to the right very slowly. As I slide, you'll notice the pointer is dropping closer to 0. You have to be patient when you think you're close. My pointer has stopped. So now I'm going to add the measurements of all of my weights. The middle beam is 300, the back is 60, so I have 360. And the front is at 1.1. So the mass of my glass apple is 361.1 grams. The next tool that we use to measure weight and mass is called the spring scale. In order to adjust this scale, you pull on the hook at the top, and you'll notice the whole front moves. Just make sure that the silver pointer is at 0. Take the object that you are going to measure, put it on the hook, and let gravity take effect. Notice the increments on the side. This bucket weighs 60.8 grams. Now it's your turn to use the tools that measure weight and mass. Follow the directions at your station to become experts with these tools.